Hello everyone, so if you want to create a promo preset in your Xiaomi 14T Pro, first of all you to open up your camera. Now go to the rear left side to open up your pro mode. Here you can see a lot of different settings, so ISO, auto, balance white, autofocus or manual focus. So here's a ton of different options, which I recommend you going through them by themselves because you will understand them better this way. So when you've set everything up, you're satisfied with your own preset, near the shutter icon find this little plus icon, tap on it. So here you can see all of your presets. There are two of them which are pre-installed, a quick snap and a store trails. So let's press add, let's give it a name. For example, let it be preset 1 and press OK. So now as we see, we've got our preset 1. Alright, you can rename it. If you tap on it, you can look through the details, you can share it or delete it. So let's press share. It will be automatically zipped, so you can share it by any means possible, which are good and convenient with you. Also, if you want to edit your preset, find these 3 horizontal dots on the preset itself and tap on them. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.